Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And if you're joining us for the first time, we want to welcome you here.
Yes, and if you're returning, thanks again for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and
yes, and ring the bell.
Ring that bell.
Ring it.
And give us that thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow, and we so appreciate you.
Yes, we do.
And wait till you see what we have for you today.
It's good.
It is really good. You are really going to love this recipe. We know it. And so we are going to show you how it's done.
We are starting with some sweet onions we cut into rings.
And we've got these laid out here.
Also some Portobello mushrooms.
And not going to rinse these.
Gently clean them with a damp paper towel.
And you might have to repeat this process a couple times.
So they won't tear up or anything.
Exactly.
And clean the second one.
Yeah, you don't want to run these in the water because it'll just absorb all the water.
And then we have some 80-20 ground beef patties.
And I really like to use the 80-20 ground beef because it has more fat. And more fat content means it's more flavorful. We like that.
Yes, exactly. We're going to sprinkle some W sauce.
Yep, got some Worcestershire sauce here. Just sprinkle it on each burger a little bit. I really like the flavor it gives the burgers.
We have half a teaspoon of each of onion powder and garlic powder.
Salt and pepper. We're just going to mix this up a little bit here. And sprinkle some of this.
And stir that up and sprinkle it on the meat.
On each side. So I'm going to reserve a little bit for the other side.
We're going to cover it.
Let that brown up a little bit. Cook really well on one side. See how they're looking? Oh yeah, those are looking good.
We're going to flip them.
We'll flip those over.
And we aren't smashing them. We are keeping all the juices in there.
Yeah, we're going to let these be nice and juicy.
Well, some things we smash them, but
right.
Not this one.
Yeah, like our smash burger recipe. Then
we're going to place onion rings in with the meat.
We're going to put them in there and start getting them browned up and a little softer.
And cook them.
And it cooks in the juice, so it gives it a lot of flavor.
Covered it again and let them cook.
Let that juice absorb into those onions.
And turn the onion rings over. Steve would love this one.
Oh yeah. He loved burger recipes. In fact, we got tons of burger recipes from him and that we've done that you've got to check out on our playlist.
Then we're going to season the other side.
Yeah. Get some seasoning on this side.
Then we're going to move these to the side and make some room.
Yeah, just going to start moving it over on top of these other burgers. Make room for them Portobello Mushrooms.
These are some big mushrooms.
Oh yeah. Just going to place them in the pan. Put them down in all this wonderful meat juice.
And cook both sides.
And it doesn't take very long. It's only going to take a minute or two on each mushroom because they cook fast. So we'll flip those over, get the other side.
While those are cooking, we are going to toast up some buttered buns.
Yeah, we like our toasted buns, don't we?
I can tell this is going to be good.
It is. Got my plate back here. Flip those back over. Then
looks like they are nice and toasted.
Set those on the plate back here.
That toasted bread looks really yummy. I love toasted bread.
It does. My stomach is growling. I'm ready to eat this.
So we're going to add some Swiss cheese now.
Little Swiss on each patty.
You know, they still charge you the same. Those holes in it are not.
They do.
Getting better.
Mm-hmm. Gonna load these onions up on top. I love grilled onions like this. And then put that portobello mushroom right on top of the onion. Gonna stack these up. Slippery little sucker. Put that one on that one. There we go. Oops, it's sliding off there.
You can use any kind of cheese you want to use.
Yeah, but we're using Swiss today. And I'm going to even put it on the mushroom too.
Well, now we got some more cheese. We love cheese.
That's right. Then we made some special sauce recipe.
We will put the recipe below. So good. Let's make these a double burger.
I think we should. Let's stack it up.
Why not?
Won't be able to get it in our mouth, but it'll taste good.
That'd be good. I am so ready to
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Let's stack this up.
Oh, look at that.
Got that special sauce. Wow.
So good.
Well, as Steve would say, is this the best Portobello Mushroom Swiss burger? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. All right, let's eat.
Let's go.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.